Hello and welcome to Yes You Can DIY Digital Marketing by TTG. Today, I'm going to show you how you can add somebody else as a manager to your Google business profile. So as you can see here in the URL, I am at google.com/business. So that's one way to get to it. If you go this way, you can click on the sign in button here to get in. If you're already logged in, you'll click on this menu and choose Business Profile Manager. Now we have access to many accounts, so you're going to see a lot of accounts here. Your screen most likely will not look like this if you're a business owner and you just have one business. So I'm scrolling down to get to our listing. And what we're going to do is click on the name. And once you're on this page, you're going to click here on these three dots, Business Profile Settings, then Managers, and click Add. So I'm entering the email address of the person I want to invite. And under Access, be sure to select Owner or Manager depending on what level of permissions you want to give to the person. Typically, as the business owner, you want to retain ownership and make somebody else the manager so that they can help you with managing your Google business profile. So once you've selected Manager, click on Invite. And now it shows at the bottom that it's pending. An email has been sent to the person I invited, and when they receive the email on their end, there will be a button inside the email that says accept. So when you're ready to check on it to see if the person accepted your invitation, you can come back here to this menu, go back to business profile settings, managers, and now you see that it's showing here instead of showing as pending, and now I can click on it. And let's say you actually needed to remove the person. This is also where you would go to remove them, and you have this remove manager option. And that's it for this video. Be sure to check back for more tips on Google Business Profile. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more content. Thanks for watching.